All right, guys. Good morning. We're here for the charts, December 2nd. So let's get to it. Alrighty. So we're looking at the news, and I don't see nothing that's gonna affect the news today for the USD pairs. Everything happened for the GBP over early this morning, so I have nothing to worry about. So we're gonna go to the charts. Yeah. I was looking. Seemed that GDP is starting to push up, but I couldn't get into it yesterday because it was consolidating and I didn't like the view of it. So in the meantime, I'm gonna check it out later. Gold seems like sellers are stepping in, so I'm probably gonna look for a sell. And Nasdaq continue to buy, so we're gonna get back to that as I do some chart setups. All right, guys. So here's my first trade of the day. I was looking for potential sells, but then I waited for this. Well, this happened at 8 o'clock, and I already know I'm not getting into any trades at 8 o'clock. So then I went to the 15-minute. I realized price was pulling back, broke above the last high, came back again, didn't break the high, didn't break the low, consolidated. And from there, I realized, okay, so it should be buying up to the next sell zone. So I looked at price to take out this high. It did. And I will be looking for a potential sell onto the next level. So until then, we'll wait. Well, after price got into my entry, I closed out the buy, and then I went for the sell. Didn't get the reaction I needed. Price liquidated me out of it. So now I'm just waiting for price to show me its next move. Price did show me its next move. I seen that on the 1 hour, it was closing soon, so I went to the 5-minute. Well, I waited for the hour to close. Once the hour closed, I went to the 5-minute. Price, I kind of figured that price was going to continue lower. So then I waited for price to hit this last order block on the higher time frame. Gave me a slight wick, so I entered in. So then I just waited for price to show me its move. Excuse me. But then I waited for price to fully break below here. So that was my first confirmation that price is going to continue lower. And also that price took out a low. So now I took out the last low before the breakup. So now it fully confirms that sellers are going to be stepping in. And I could possibly look for a continuation for this sell at either 42.17 or 42.03. So we're going to wait and see. But overall, I should be done for today. So I'll call it a day just to stay consistent.